For sure you have experienced it, or maybe you have seen it. The funny voices that come after breathing helium. What makes it happen? It's definitely not magic from Alvin the Chipmunk. It all comes from simple high school physics. The speed of sound is directly proportional to wavelength and frequency. Helium, being less dense than air, increases the speed of sound, which in turn increases the frequency, making your voice sound higher pitched. Here's a bonus if you're still watching. There's another gas called sulfur hexafluoride that actually lowers your voice's pitch. That would certainly make you sound like an ogre. Just don't try consuming these gases yourself, it may hurt you.